Daily routine phrasal verbs.
Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Get up.
Get up.
She gets up early for work. Wash up.
Wash up.
He washed up before dinner. Put on.
Put on.
She put on her jacket before going outside. Take off.
Take off.
He took off his shoes at the door. Go out.
Go out.
We usually go out on weekends. Sit down.
Sit down.
Please sit down and relax. Turn on.
Turn on.
She turned on the TV. Turn off.
Turn off.
Don't forget to turn off the lights. Clean up.
Clean up.
They cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up, we are getting late. Go back.
Go back.
He went back home after work. Lie down.
Lie down.
I need to lie down for a while. Pick up.
Pick up.
I pick up my kids from school. Go to bed.
Go to bed.
I usually go to bed at 11 p.m.